Now, let's build the Project 9 Autolite. And here's the components, all the components. First, we need a breadboard. Second, LED light. We need to put the LED light on the breadboard. Second, the resistor. And the ambient sensor. And all the jumper cable. This cable serves as the connection of breadboard and Arduino board. Now let's connect it to Arduino. Now this wire serves as the connection of the Arduino board and the laptop.
Good day everyone, this is Dangerous Baclao. We gonna discuss our Activity 9 Ambient Light Controlled LED. So first, we declare the pin connected to the LED, which is int LED equals to 13. Then, next we declare a variable to store analog sensor value, which we int val and equals to 0. Then in the build setup, we set the LED pin as an output, and then we also begin the serial communication at 9600 baud rate. Then in the void loop function, we call val equals analog read to 0 to read analog voltage value from analog pin 0. Then we will gonna print the value to serial monitor. Then we gonna check the value if is less than 1000. Then if yes, it will turn off the LED. Then in the else statement, if the value is more than or equal to 1000, it will on. Then for the duration, it will delay for 10 milliseconds. That's all. Thank you.